guys, welcome to my channel. So I'll be showing you guys today how I make my mask. So this is the adult mask. It has this little, it's a deer mask, and it has a filter in there so you can see. You can put your filter in here. Yeah, I got this fabric, oops, excuse me. I bought this fabric from Walmart. It's like a bigger, so I kind of like the deer part, so I cut out the deer. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I go put it on. For this project, you'll be needing a sewing machine, thread, scissors, measurement tape, elastic band, cutter, iron, clips, measurement for mask, measurement for filter pocket, fabric for the filter pocket. And please note, all fabric should be 100% cotton and breathable. I cut out my face mask fabric using this measurement. I cut out my 2 filter pocket fabric using this measurement. Fold the top down about 1/4 inch. Press flat with an iron. Do this on both fabrics. Sew a little hem on both fabrics. Be sure the pretty pattern of your fabric is facing you. I like to iron it out too. Now take the 2 flaps and line them up on top and bottom edges of your mask fabric. You want this centered, doesn't matter which one is on top. Sew along the top and bottom edges, not on the sides. Clip those away. Sew straight across in a straight line. Repeat on the other side. Once you have that sewn down, flip it and press open the seams. Fold the flaps in. I will be using these garden ties. I got them from the Dollartree in the hunt for a nose wire. Using a tape, measure out 7 inches. Use a cutter to cut it out. Please don't use your sewing scissors. Any scissors can do too. So I have the disposable mask. I like how the nose wire fits, so I will be using this instead. So I will sew it straight across to fit the nose wire. Close one side and leave the other open. You can use a pin or even eyeball it, but I'll be using my finger. I like to sew from the back flap. You can sew from the front. I measured 1/4 of an inch for the nose wire. Again, this depends on what you are using. Remember, we left one side open to insert our nose wire. Insert your nose wire. It should go in smoothly. You have your nose wire in. Now, sew a line to close the sides up. Then, run a straight line along the edges. So everything is sewn down. You have your filter pocket. Make sure the side of your nose wire are facing up and facing you. Attention, time to pleat. I must say, most people struggle here, but I will show you my easy technique. You want to fold 3 times. Doesn't matter the size, just fold equally. I like to iron it down, that way it stays in place. Make sure the sides are even and not spread apart. Sew close as possible to the original stitch. Do the same on the other side. Hold it tight together because if they are loose, they will come apart. Mask is almost ready. Flip it over and on the edges you want to fold them twice. I will be using this elastic band cut out to 7.5 inches. I used the 0.5 from the 7.5 to fold into the fabric, so technically I'm using 7 inches. Fold them twice so the raw edges are hidden whilst inserting a tiny piece of the elastic band, which is the 0.5. You can pin or clip this down if it's easier for you. Sew on top of the band and across. When you get to the end, lift the foot up and turn and sew on top of the elastic band to lock. There you have your mask with a filter pocket. You can use any filter to put in it. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and turn that notification bell on to get notified when I release a new video. And if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Until next time, be good to you. Bye bye.